Hello world and welcome to future programming. So our first question is which declaration of the main method below would allow a class to be started as a standalone program? And the options are given below. So try to find out the answers and then we'll see the answers. So first let's see the answers, then we'll discuss each of the options. So the options B and E are correct. So let's see first option A, public static int main char args and square brackets. Now what's wrong with this option? Actually the return type of main method is void and the argument type is string. So this is totally wrong. Now option B, public static void main string args square brackets, which is the standard method in Java. Standard main method. Okay. Now option C, public static void main string args square brackets. Now in this one, the main is written in capitals, and we already know that Java is case sensitive, hence the option C is incorrect. Option D. At a glance, option D looks correct because everything is fine, but if you look it carefully, at the end of ARGS, square brackets are missing. So D option is incorrect. Now option E. Now this seems to be interesting that static public void main string args square brackets, everything is same except the sequence of public and static is changed. So for your kind information, let me tell you the static and public are interchangeable. Okay, so option E is correct. So let's continue our second question with what is the meaning of the return data type void, and the options are there. So let's see the answer now. So the answer is C, void returns no data type. Now let me explain it. Void, whenever you want to return nothing, like if we are getting one method and we don't want that method to return any value, then we'll define that method as void because void returns nothing. Okay, so the data type void actually refers to an object that doesn't have a value of any type. Okay, so let's move on to our third question, which is which of these are legal identifiers? Now legal identifier, it is a frequent topic in Java, core Java actually. So you should be aware of what are the legal identifiers, and there are only three rules, specific three rules, which if you will even read two or twice or thrice, you will be better in them. So first let's see the options and what is the answer. The answer is all of the above, means all the options are correct. Now we'll see the rules. So the first rule is the first character must be picked from alpha, underscore or dollar sign. And the second rule, the first character cannot be a digit. Remember, this is the thumb rule. Okay, the first character cannot be a digit because in some of the languages the first character can be a digit, but in Java it should not be a digit. Okay, and the third rule is the rest of the characters beside the first can be from alpha, digit, underscore or dollar sign. In other words, it can be any valid identifier character. Okay, but remember once more, the first character cannot be a digit. Okay, now let's move on to our fourth question. Which of the following are Java keywords? Once more, the Java keywords is also a frequent topic in core Java exams. Okay, remember we are talking about core Java, and there are 50 keywords in Java. Okay, so let's see first of all who knows about the Java keywords and who can answer this question. So the answer of the question is again all of the above. Now we'll see the list of all Java keywords. There's the list. So in Java, currently in 2017, there are 50 keywords. And I would like to tell you one thing that if you read this twice or thrice, you will be able to answering this question, Java keywords. And if you are even programming, sometimes you will get to know what are the Java keywords. One more important thing is this, that you can see this true, false and null. Remember, sometimes people confuse that true, false and null are Java keywords, but actually they are not reserved words. Okay, so they are not Java keywords, but they cannot be used as identifier as well. Okay, so remember, true, false and null, they are not Java reserved keywords, but they cannot be used as identifier because they are literals of bulletin types. Okay, remember this. And our fifth question, a lower precision can be assigned to a higher precision value in Java. For example, a byte type data can be assigned to int type. Now you have to tell whether the option is true or false. Now think a little bit because it is like somewhat tricky, I would say. So the answer for this is the option A, true. Now we'll see why and how. See, we are saying a lower precision can be assigned to a higher precision value. It means a lower precision like byte to short, int, long, float or double because they are higher precision rather than byte, as well as short to int, long, float or double, so on and so forth. So in the last one we are having float, that is having lower precision than double, so that can be assigned to high precision. Okay, yes, fine. So thanks for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.